All right, my boys, pay attention, guys. I literally learned this trading strategy from a junior desk trader at Goldman Sachs who trades GBP flows. Now, at one point, I used to be very famous on the internet before my accounts were taken down. And this guy was a GBP trader. He's just starting out. And he used to always talk to me, always this, always that. And dude, turns out when I got closer to God, he taught me exactly how he trades and how a lot of his friends are trading. Now, I promise you guys, I will never ever change my strategy ever again. This is how I want to trade until the day that I die. And I promise you guys, I wouldn't be begging you to take a look at this video. Take a look at this video, guys. I promise you, you will never, ever want to trade any other way. I promise you, you'll never buy another course. This will change your trading strategy, and I can guarantee you, you will have some great results, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly what, all right, first of all, this right here, this what you see right over here, this is called the fixed volume profile, right? And this yellow line right here, it comes in the middle. It's called the point of control. So what does that mean? That means, let me remove, oh, I can't even see these things. So that means that basically above this yellow line, the point of control, above it, buyers are in control. Underneath, sellers are in control. Now, I do want to show you this crazy trade that I took yesterday. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. This was probably one of the most insane trades that I've ever taken. Now, look at this. So over here, I got into a trade right over here. Boom. There it is. This was about 12, like, all right, yeah, it was a little early, around 12. So look at this, right? Now notice here, 12:30, dude, 1 o'clock. Notice these nasty liquidity grabs right over here. Yes, they literally came to retest the point of control. Buyers just immediately whopped them right back up. Now, there was some news, but then again, buyers were not going to let price go underneath that level. 100% not. And this was all live. You guys can look at it on my YouTube channel. Dude, insane. So above this area, the point of control, literally we just run it like a Fibonacci. That's it, from up here to down here. Literally from the top to the bottom, literally just like a Fibonacci, and it's going to draw you a point of control. And this is the point of control. Again, this is an area where above it is bullish, underneath you are bearish. So once we started trading, I had a bullish engulfing candle over here, and then what we have over here, this is not an RSI, guys. This is what we call an accumulation distribution indicator, correct? So as you can see here, this is why I took my buy, because on top of the fact that we are trading above in the point of control, the accumulation distribution took out all of these highs. We took out highs over here. So as you can see, yeah, we're about to fly. We are aggressively about to fly, right? Again, this is accumulation distribution. Remember, the markets move with accumulation, distribution, and manipulation. Remember that. Don't forget. I know you guys want to suck up your ICT traders and all these other traders, but dude, they're trading on demo accounts. I say real. Come on, let's be real. This is how people are trading that are trading millions of dollars, right? And again, I traded this live for almost a month, and I had probably about an 85% win rate. Literally amazing, right? So listen, notice how we took out all these highs. I took a buy right over here. The 300 SMA. The 300 SMA is considered a heavyweight direction indicator, right? It is the heavyweight of all heavyweights. Above it, you are bullish. Underneath it, you are bearish. It is the ultimate heavyweight indicator. It acts like a support and resistance, like on steroids, literally, as well as direction. And then you have the 200 SMA, which is more of a medium long term. And then the 50 SMA, which is the red one that I have over here, that is a short term. So but the fact that we're above all of them, there is no way in living hell I'm going to sell this. I'm going to buy this early. I don't care. As long as I have a great stop loss under the point of control, I'm solid. I am solid. Now look at this. Insane, beautiful buys. Look at the accumulation distribution, taking out all of these buys. Now, there was news. Don't get me wrong. Remember, markets use accumulation, distribution, manipulation. Now look at the fake outs. Look at the point of control right over here. Get ready how it gets completely rejected right now. Buyers completely still in control. They did not let sellers even try to go underneath. Acted like a major level of support and resistance above all my other psychological levels of support and resistance. Brother, this was a golden setup trade right over here. Now look at this liquidity grabs, even with news and everything. Get ready. Boom, one. There goes a massive one. There goes a massive one. Look at the next one. Look at the next one. Boom. Look at that, bro. Look at that. And these were 1 minute candles, my guys. right? It's a 30-minute replay, but I promise you these were 1-minute candles. If we go over here to the 5-minute, you'll notice these were 1-minute freaking candles just mopping down. But I took the whole trade. I was confident. I didn't care. I was like, yeah, no, we're good. We're good. We're Gucci. We're Gucci. And brother, this was just an overall monster of a trade. I ended up getting out over here, literally at the 40 pip market of being bullish. And as you can see here, look, boom, completely hit the whole Royal TP. I'm telling you guys, this is the way that you guys need to be trading, using the point of control, using the accumulation distribution indicator, using price action. And if you guys want to use the indicators, I'd recommend them. You can Google it. Junior desk traders use them for overall direction. At the end of the day, this is the way that they trade. And I promise you, brother, I would not be begging you to take a look at this. And I'm doing it for free. I'm not selling you a course. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm literally just showing you how my life changed. And I've literally traded live in front of everybody with the most confident, the highest win rate, and the highest possible win rate I've ever had of confidence, all in one place with a funded account, getting a payout. Literally, I'm eligible for a payout right now, but I do need to pay for something, and I do want to get like $700 more, and then I will request my payout. But again, I was in 3% drawdown and went straight into profit. Amazing, right? We're all within a 3-week process. I'm telling you guys, this is the way you need to trade. If you want to get an account, guys, you can help me by support me by going on fundedhero.com. They have about 11,000 people in a Discord, and they show all the payouts. Everybody's in there getting paid out, the whole 9 yards. They got funded accounts. They're a little bit expensive. Rules are a little up there, but don't worry. If you need my cheat sheet, I can give you guys my trading plan to follow all the rules the best way possible to get your payout. I've already gotten over 15 people who used it and got a payout, and I'm literally that guy right now. Let's be real. I'm not trying to like be cocky, but like I'm just gonna boast, bro. God really did do some things to me. You know what I'm saying? He said, oh, okay, I'm gonna put people in your life. I'm gonna open up doors. I'm gonna send some people over and watch you going to be the best you've ever been. Now look at that. Remember, there's a saying that you can give a guy a fish he eats for a day, but you give a guy the ability to, you know, learn how to fish and he can eat forever. Yeah, that's what this is right here. That's what this is, my boy. I'm telling you, my G. This is worth more than anything you will ever have, because this right here will feed you for the rest of your life. Again, guys, I love you guys. Please just test the strategy out. I promise you. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to answer it. So just so overall, go for it. What we're looking at is the fact that we have the accumulation distribution indicator. It's called the AD. We have the point of control slash fixed volume profile indicator, and then we have the 50, the 200, and the 300 simple moving averages. As long as we can use all of that with price action, support and resistance, and being in session, you will be victorious. I'm telling you, the only one who can mess you up is you. Promise you that. Again, guys, nothing else, no Fibonacci needed, no this, no that. I'm telling you, this is the only way you should be trading, and this is the only way you will ever want to trade the second that you start learning this. Guarantee it.